In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use paper trading module in GoCharting. Paper trading lets you practice entries, exits, and risk management with simulated funds so you can learn the platform and refine your strategy without risking real money. Start by opening GoCharting.com in your browser. On the homepage, look for the top navigation and click Products. Then choose Charts. That takes you into the GoCharting terminal where you'll place and track your simulated trades. Before we place anything, open the Account section. Here you'll find the core panels you'll use to monitor activity. My orders shows all working and recently executed orders. My trades lists completed fills including price and quantity, which is great for reviewing execution quality. My positions displays your open exposures and the running profit or loss. Balance shows your simulated account equity and available margin. Think of these four areas as your paper trading cockpit. Next, confirm you're actually in simulation mode. In the connection dropdown at the top, select Go Charting Sim Browser. If you see anything else chosen, switch it to the sim so every order stays virtual. This one check prevents accidental live orders and keeps your practice sessions safe. Now open the trade panel. This is where you choose to sell or buy and set order details. You can place different order types. A limit order posts at a specific price you set, seeking a better fill but only if the market reaches it. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, useful for quick entries. A stop order becomes active once the trigger price is hit, helping you enter on momentum or protect downside. A stop limit combines both. Once triggered, it sends a limit order, adding price control to the trigger. Let's walk through a simple buy. Select buy, pick your order type, set quantity and price or trigger if needed, then confirm. Your new order appears right away in my orders. If you used a market order, it will likely fill instantly and move to my trades, with your open position and balance updating to reflect the simulated result. If it's a limit or stop, you'll see it waiting until the market reaches your conditions. As you practice, keep the sim connection selected, review fills in my trades, and watch how positions and balance change as prices move. That's the complete workflow for using GoCharting's paper trading module confidently and safely.